Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can create and upload sitemap to your website. So for this you need to first open this link xml-sitemaps.com. I will give this link below in the description section, and herein you need to enter your website's URL and click on start. This site will create sitemap for your website, and then you can just download it and upload it to your file manager. I will show you everything how it can be done. As per the pages of your website, it will take time. If you have more pages, then obviously it will take more time, and if you have less pages, then sitemap will be created quickly. So if you have more than 500 pages, then you need to go for a pro account. If you have less than 500 pages, then you can go for free account as well. You get free sitemap, you can upload it, and it will help you and Google to crawl your web pages, and it also increase your search engine ranking. So it is very beneficial, and I would suggest you to create the sitemap of your website as soon as you make your new website. So go for it, because getting a website and not doing SEO for it is not worthy in today's era, because everybody searches on search engines like Google. And if you want more business, then you need sitemap and other stuff that can help Google to easily crawl the pages of your website and rank them on the top searches. So while it is creating my sitemap, I'll tell you other process. You need to log into your cPanel as well. Herein I have logged into my cPanel, and herein you need to click on File Manager. You need to here go to the public folder and upload your file there. This is the public.html. Just click on it, and here you need to upload your sitemap. As I have already uploaded, you can see this, my cursor, sitemap.xml. I have already done it. I'm just showing you how to do it. Okay. Once you will do it, you just need to save the file and go to this section. Click on here, upload. Select the file, your sitemap, and simply upload it. Okay, it's very easy. So now you can see it's completed. You just view the details of your sitemap. Simply download it. It will be in XML format. You can see it in a folder. This is there. This is my sitemap in the folder. Download section, you can just go there, simply upload it in this public.html folder. Once you upload it, just save the changes. Once you do it, you need to go to your webmaster. I think you have added your website to your webmaster. If not, then just let me know. I will tell you how to do it. And herein you need to go to sitemap section on the left hand side, and herein you just need to type sitemap.xml and click on submit. I have already done it. You can see this, and you can see success also in front of this. So you need to do this process after uploading your site here in public.html. Okay, first process is this, second process is uploading, and third process is webmaster tool. Okay, just need to click on submit and done. So I think now you will be able to do it. And in case you face any issue, then just give me that issue in the comment section, and I will come up with the quick resolutions and try to solve your problem. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like it, just click on like, comment and share. Bye bye and take care.